Hi, today I'm back to do more tinies, and I have 12 ones and my 6-sided die, and so 1, 6, 4, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, and I'm putting the last one on this one. Okay. So let's see. Oops. This is extra if I need to put it in. Okay. So first is number 1. Oops. And this. So it's from Lilsworld 733 in autumn 1492. And it just needed 1. So this one's completed. And let's see. So with this one I saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm adding in Angela Marie 888. And I'm going to put in $1. Let's see. Okay. And then 2 is from Michelle Plants Daily, and say I have 3 and it needs 2. So 1, 2, and this one's done. And I saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I should write. And I'm going to add in Send on a Budget and add in $1. And then number 3 is from MoneyBossin the Making, Sadie J. And I saved $2. Let's see. So 1, 2. And then number 4 is Happy to Save with Hannah, and I saved $2. So 1, 2. And then 5 is from Ellie on Earth, and it just needed 1. So $1. So in hers I saved 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm adding in Sadie J for next week. And then last up is, oh, this money was supposed to be in here. This is Jessie Budgets, and I saved $2. So 1, 2, and it's all the challenges. And so I completed Ellie on Earth, Michelle Plans Daily, and Lilsworld 733 in autumn 1492 for 3. And I have my bucket, that Sunshine made me, Midge, and I'm adding in $1 for each completed challenge. So $3 is going in. And I'll eventually trade out the ones for 5s. And so what I have left is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.